Hello friends, welcome to Sovarnika Store channel. In today's video, I am with you to discuss about a drupe fruit with a difference. This fruit, though non-edible, is considered with great reverence and sanctity, both religiously and spiritually, as they are used in prayers mainly by Hindus, Buddhists and Sikhs. Mother Nature very gracefully nurtured these drupe plants and bestowed great medicinal properties which made them inimitable and helped to derive the rarest of the rare Sanskrit title Amritaphala or fruit of ambrosia. Yes, this unique fruit is none other than Rudraksh. As this video very minutely explores into growing methods, various features, advantages and uses of Rudraksh drupes and the wonderful tree that produced these fruits, please see the video to the last for all details. The brown Rudraksh we see generally with Hindu saints and Buddhist monks in prayer bead string or Japamala form are actually made with the dried stone fruit grown on Carpus ganitrus evergreen broadleaf trees primarily cultivated in the Himalayan mountain foothill areas and Nepal. These trees are also found in some regions of South and Southeast Asia, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. Rudraksha attained its paramount importance because of the name of Lord Shiva associated with them. The inexplicable divine healing power and rich pharmacological potential are said to be other reasons that gave high esteem to these beads. Rudraksha Jabala Upanishad, associated with Samaveda, speaks in length about classification of Rudraksha and says that wearing Rudraksha in accordance with the scriptural guidelines can eliminate various obstructions, bring success, happiness and help to remove sins. Rudraksha is said to be derived from the word Rudra or Shiva and Aksha or eyes. The Rudraksha jointly is interpreted as eyes of Rudra or Shiva. Rudraksha Upanishad explains that Kalakirudra, the distinctive form of Lord Shiva, remained in meditation for 1,000 years with closed eyes when tears from his eyes fell on earth, giving birth to Rudraksha trees. Text also says that these drupes are so auspicious that mere utterance of word Rudraksha or its sight or touch can spiritually blissful, and they can be very powerful instrument to enhance inner spiritual transformation to higher levels. Rudraksha in general is seen with older people, monks, sadhus and other spiritual followers. But nowadays these are used by people of all ages in their ornaments irrespective of gender, religion and cultural traits. In India, there is a tradition of wearing Rudraksha mala. This is very common among Shaivites because Lord Shiva wears Rudraksha. Japamala that contain 108 beads will have a Guru bead, which may be bigger in size to mark the beginning and end of Japa cycle. Likewise, Rudraksha malas made with beads in combination of 27 plus 1 and 54 plus 1 are also used. As I have said before, Hindus firmly believe that Rudraksha is incredibly divine and pure. Therefore, certain religious customs and scriptural norms are required to be followed by the devotee wearing Rudraksh mala. Some of them among these are Rudraksh mala should not be used like other Japamalas and that every user must respect and handle them with utmost care. The mala used to wear in the neck or body should not be used as Japamala as the purpose of both these are said to be different. Another condition is that the mala must be subject to Rudra Abhishek in a Shiva temple before wearing. Rudraksh malas are not supposed to exchange even among family members as the energy bond said to have developed between the body of wearer and Rudraksha can be lost while in contact with another person. While selecting beads for making Rudraksha Japamalas, testing to confirm its originality is absolutely necessary to avoid fake and duplicate beads. Periodical cleaning of Rudraksha beads as per the scriptural guidelines and maintaining personal hygiene are also very important. In short, wearing Rudraksha can prove to be a boon to those spiritually inclined persons who can have full control over their behavior pattern, food habits and cleanliness of mind and body. Though there are many advantages, Rudraksha may not be suitable for everyone as they are said to be very hot in nature and can develop skin allergies. Therefore, before using these beads, thorough and proper study is needed to avoid any complications. So, these are some of the facts associated with Rudraksh beads. If we consider that Rudraksha beads are used only as prayer beads, then we are wrong. These beads have very rich medicinal properties and a long history in the traditional medicines as well. Reports say that Rudraksha fruits contain alkaloids, flavonoids, tannins, steroids, triterpenes, carbohydrates, cardiac glycosides and Rudraksha alkaloid. Some reports say that Rudraksha beads possess dynamic polarity property and can be helpful to prevent heart attacks and high blood pressure besides smoothing blood flow in our body. In Ayurveda, Rudraksha has great importance as these are used for managing blood pressure, neurological and mental disorders, asthma, diabetes, and certain gynecological problems. Even the leaves of these trees are enriched with antibacterial properties and are used for treating wounds. Now, let us have a look over the growing method of these trees. As I have told in the beginning, Rudraksha trees grows well in tropical climate areas. As the drupes produced by these trees are non-edible, they are not cultivated widely like other fruit trees. Besides Himalayan regions, these trees are generally found in Arunachal Pradesh, Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Uttaranchal areas in the north and at Nilgiri regions of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka in the south. In Kerala, these are found in some Shiva temple premises and at Hindu spiritual institutions or ashram. Let us now understand how Rudraksha plants can be grown. Growing Rudraksha plants is not very difficult. Plants of these evergreen trees can be grown easily. It can be propagated through stem cuttings and air layering methods. Seed-grown plants mostly have genetic variations from mother plant. Moreover, trees grown from seeds take more time to yield as compared to grafted plants. For growing from seeds, it is always better to go for fresh and healthy seeds collected from good variety trees or from a reliable source. Before planting, seeds need soaking in clean lukewarm water for 2 days. Breaking the outer cover shell of seeds can speed up the germination process. Though Rudraksha trees like to flourish well in acidic soil, they can be initially grown in potting soil with neutral pH level. Once these seeds start growing well, they can be transferred to a bigger pot or container with suitable potting medium or to the open where ample sunlight is available. Young Rudraksha plants do not need much care. They grow well if regular watering and occasional feeding is given from time to time. Rudraksha trees grow to a height of about 60 to 80 feet. The leaves of these trees are thick and long. The mature roots of these trees are mostly spread out over the ground surface. Rudraksha trees start flowering in May-June months. During this period, trees fully covered with creamy white flowers in bunches appear, giving a splendorous look. Fruiting of young trees in most of the cases starts in 3 to 4 years' time. Ripening of fruit generally commences in November-December months. The annual yielding of young trees may be initially less, but this may increase gradually as the plant becomes more matured. Yielding always depends on different factors like variety of seeds, soil quality, watering, feeding, and environmental conditions. Ripe Rudraksha fruits are covered by an inedible blue outer cover. Tree branches decorated with these little blue hanging fruits looks awesomely beautiful. As I have said earlier, dried stones of these fruits are used as prayer beads. The size of Nepal beads are around 20 to 25 or 30 mm, while the size of Indonesian beads vary between 5 mm and 25 mm. Rudraksha beads are mostly brown in color, though red, yellow and black seeds are also available. There are different varieties of Rudraksha. Studies show that there are over 300 species of principal species. Out of these, 35 varieties are generally found in India. The most common variety is five-faced Rudraksha known as Panchamukhi Rudraksha. This variety has great significance because it is believed to have the blessings of Kalagni Rudra form of Lord Shiva himself. Single-faced or Ekmukhi Rudraksha has only one seed inside and one natural hole. These Rudraksha with half-moon shape are very much in demand among Rudraksha lovers. Indian variety Rudraksha has a natural hole. While making Japamalas, care must be taken in placing face of each beads against the other. There is high demand for original Rudraksha beads in the market. Therefore, fake Rudraksha that looks like the original one are on increase. Therefore, care must be taken while collecting the Rudraksha beads. Now, let us understand about various types of Rudraksha formations. There are various types of Rudraksha formations. In this case, 2 or more beads are co-joined together naturally. Among them, Gauri Shankar type beads co-joined together is very famous. There are Ganesha beads with trunk-like protrusions, Trijudi with co-joining of 3 beads, Dvaita with 2 co-joined beads, and Veda with 4 co-joined beads. Rudraksha fruits when ready are plucked from the trees, and after removing the shell, beads are sorted out on the basis of number of faces. Now, let us see the problems in growing Rudraksha fruit trees. Main problem with the Indian Rudraksha fruit tree is caused by Selipa celtis murae, as they adversely affect Rudraksha trees. Therefore, care must be taken to protect fruits and trees from insects and disease. Use of effective and recommended insecticides and regular observation of trees to a great extent can solve these problems. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe channel. We at Sabarnika Store Home Garden grow exotic and rare plants to cater to the needs of plant lovers. I will be back with details of another exotic rare plant soon. Till then, take good care of yourself and all dear and near ones. Thank you once again. God bless you and bye.